What are items you sell? Items represent the products or services your business sells. These can be anything from physical goods to digital services. Examples might include a new boiler, a PAT test service, or a new wall you're going to build. Items represent any product or service you might put on a quote. These might look very different to the materials needed to deliver that item. The focus should be on selling the outcome rather than the parts.